we will study about place value and face value. As you have already learned in your previous classes that place value of a digit in a number depends upon the place it occupies in the number. But the face value of the digit in a number is the digit itself. Here it is given an example. In this example, the number is given to us 8435. In this, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1, that is 5, because it is given in the ones place, so its place value will be 5 into 1 equals to 5, and the face value is also 5 because face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself only. And as 3 is written in the tens place, so its place value will be 3 into 10, that is 30, but the face value remains same, that is 3 only. And 4 is written in the hundreds place, so its place value will be 4 into 100, that is 400, but the face value is remain same, that is 4 only. And 8 is written in the thousand place, so its place value will be 8 into 1000, 8000, and face value is remain same only, that is 8 only. Now let us start our exercise. Before starting our exercise, you should remember that the face value and the place value of 0 will always remain 0 only. Now let us start our exercise self practice 2C. In this, our first question is write the place value of each digit in the following numbers. So some numbers are given to you, you have to write the place value of these digits. So in A1 our number is 5372. So the place value of 2 in this will be 2 only because it is written in the ones place, and the place value of 7 will be 7070 because it is written in the tens place, and the place value of 3 will be 300300 because it is written in the hundred place, and the place value of 5 will be 5000 as it is written in the thousand place. And in the B question, the number is given to us 8397. In this, the place value of 7 will be 7 only because it is written in the ones place, and the place value of 9 will be 9090 because it is written in the tens place, and the place value of 3 will be 300300 because it is written in the hundred place. Now place value of 8 will be 8000 as it is written in the thousand place. Now in second question, you have to form the number with the clues given below. So you have to read out these clues and then you have to find the number. Now in this, it is given to us tens place is 6, means tens place you will write 6 number. In ones place is 2 more than 6. Now they are saying ones place is 2 more than 6, means 6 plus 2 will be 8. So in one place we will write 8. And thousand place is 4 less than 10. Now 4 less than 10 is 6, so we will write 6 in the place of 1000. And 100 places between 3 and 5. Now 100 places between 3 and 5 means the number which is coming between 3 and 5 is 4, so means 100 place we will write 4. In that way our number will be 6468. So this is our answer. Now question number 3 is state true or false for the following statement. Now you have to read out the following statements and then you have to mention that whether it is true or false. For true statement you have to write T, and for the false statement you have to write F. In A1 our statement is the place value of 3 in 3728 is 300. Now they are asking the place value of 3 in 3728 is 300. That is the wrong statement because 3 is written in the thousand place, so its place value will be 3000. But here it is given 300, that is the wrong statement, so we will write F in front of that. Now B1, the statement is the place value of 0 in 8064 is 0. So it is correct, as we have read here, the face value and place value of 0 remains 0 only. So the place value of 0 in this number will be 0 only, that is the correct statement, so we will write T in front of that. Now in C question, our statement is the place value of 7 in 9746 is 7000. Now they are asking place value of 7 is 7000, but 7 is given in the hundred place, so again this statement is wrong, so we will write F in front of that. Now in D question, they are asking the place value and face value of 9 in 7289 is 9. So it is correct because place value and face value of 9 will be 9 only because it is written in the ones place. So its place value is 9 only and face value is also 9 only, so this statement is correct, so we will write T in front of that. Now E1, our question is 7000 plus 500 plus 6 months equals to 7506. So this is also correct because if we are writing 7000 plus 500 plus 6 months in the number form, we are writing it like this only because on tens place no number is given here, so we will write 0 in place of that. So this number is also correct, so this statement is correct, so we will write T in front of that. Now F statement is the sum of the place value of 2, 3 in 3034 is 3003. Now they are asking the sum. Sum means you have to add the place value of 2, 3. So in this number, the first 3 is having the place value 3000 and the second 3 is having the place value 30. If we add both the numbers, we are getting 3030, but here it is given 3003. That is the wrong statement, so we will write F in front of that. Now we will start question number 4. Question number 4 is given to us, write the place value of the given digits in the following numbers. So now you have to write the place value of the given digits. Now in A1 you have to write the place value of 1. In first number, the number is given to us 5921. The place value of 1 will be 1 only because it is written in the ones place. The second number is given to us 1093. As 1 is written in the thousand place, so its place value will be 1000. In third number, the number is given to us 2130. So the number is written, the 1 is written in the 100 place, so its place value will be 100. In B1 you have to write the place value of 6. Now in first number, the number is given to us 2760. Now 6 is written in the tens place, so its place value will be 6060. In second number, the number is given to us 8612. 6 is written in the 100 place, so its place value will be 600. In third number, the number is given to us 6032. So 6 is written in the thousand place, so its place value will be 6000. Now question number 5, it's given to us, write the place value and the face value of the given digits in the following numbers. Now you have to write both the face value as well as the place value of the given number. So A number is given to us 6973. In this, the face value of 6 will be remain same 6 only, because the face value of all the digits will remain same only. But the place value of 6 will be 6000 because it is given in the thousand place. And in B1, the number is given to us 5087. So face value of 8 will be 8 only, and but the place value of 8 will be 80 because it is written in the tens place. In C1, the number is given to us 3986. The face value of 3 you have to write in this. So the face value of 3 will be 3 only, but the place value of 3 will be 3000 because it is given in the thousand place. Now in 6th question you have to work out the following. You have to read out the following statement and then you have to work on them. In this, the A1, the statement is given to us, the difference of the place value of 28 in 3688. Now you have to write the difference between the place value of 28. So in this number, the first 8 place value is 80, second 8 place value is 8. If we minus both of them, we are getting 72, our answer. In B1 you have to write the product of the place value and face value of 3 in 7830. So product means multiply you have to do between the place value and face value of 3. So the place value of 3 is 30, but the face value of 3 will remains 3 only. So the multiplication of both the numbers will be 30 into 3, that is 90 is our answer. Now in C1, the statement is given to us, the quotient when the place value of 6 in 5986 is divided by its face value. Now you have to find the quotient, means divide you have to do between the face value and face value of 6. The place value of 6 is 6 only because it is written in the ones place, and the face value is also 6 only. If we divide 6 by 6, we are getting the 1 in the answer. So our answer is 1. Now in D1, the statement is given to us, the product of the place value of 5 in 1253 by the face value of 9 in 9078. So now you have to find the product, means multiply you have to do between the place value of 5 in this number and the face value of 9 in this number. So place value of 5 in this number is 50 because it is written in the tens place, and the face value is remain same only 9. So the multiplication of both the numbers is 50 into 9 is 450 is our answer. Now this exercise is completed. Hope you understand.